Hello and welcome to Bleak's Nature. I am your host, Hans Bleak. Today, meat, also known as cows, our favorite American meal behind me. This is Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's and Carl's Jr., all still alive but soon to be doomed by our own gluttonous desire for meat. These young calves, also known as veal, when we eat them, look playful and innocent, but they will be the first to suffer, of course, and there's nothing that can be done. Here we have a friend here. He likes me, he's curious, he has no idea that I will eat his flesh sometimes when I'm feeling hungry at midnight hour and want a snack. And we are friends now, but later I will prey on him, of course. This is another edition of Bleak's Nature with my meat friend. And I'm Bleak, that's me.